Krishna instructed Arjuna how one should act. We are here in this material nature and we have to act. Can anybody ever remain without being active? Krishna is saying that without being active, a living entity cannot stay even for a moment. Nahi kaschit ksanamopi jatu tishtati akarmakrit. Akarmakrit. Without being active, one cannot stay even for a moment. One may sit down quietly, closing his eyes and trying to control his mind, but if we see, the mind is moving at a tremendous speed. At one moment it is in Melbourne, next moment it's Sweden, next moment it's in America, and it's just moving so fast. And besides that, even if we can control our mind, can we control the activities of the organs? The heart will continuously pump blood. The lungs will be breathing. So the kidney will be functioning. All these activities are going on within the body that we cannot stay without being active even for a moment. But the consideration is, how should we act? The proper action has been described for the pleasure of the Lord. And that is called yagya, yagarthat karmana annatra, loko ayam karma bandha. You act for the sake of the Lord's pleasure. Otherwise, your actions will become the cause of your bondage in this material.